Hey guys, KontrolStyle here with another reminding myself how to do something. What you do first is the bin here on your right click, you go to timelines, you create a new one. And then you have this comes up, so you name it something, TikTok, you know, test. Then you click on this to get advanced settings, and then you click on format, and then you go to custom, and you control X that, then you put 1080p. And then you control paste that into there, and you hit create. And see, it looks like a phone. And if you don't have a clip already, you get a clip beforehand. I got a clip from my video here. I'm gonna highlight. Actually, yeah, I'm just gonna do it this way. I'm going to copy this cut here, going to back over to TikTok. I'm going to paste it into this, and you're going to hold Alt and left click. You go up one, you go up one, you go up two. The video 3 will be your webcam. So what you do with the webcam is you make sure that's highlighted, and you go over to your screen. Let's make it bigger, make it much easier to see. Okay, so this is gonna be your webcam. So what you do is you grab this here, and you hit crop, and then you go over to your webcam. You take out yourself here. You can fine tune it later, just like the basics. Video 1 is you go to transform, make it big so it fills in the black areas. Oh, video 2, you make sure you transform, then you want to move your face out of there. Okay, so it did work. I panicked. That's your face, and you move your face up here, put this in the middle of your face, and you take the second video over here and take away your webcam so they can't see it, right? So you can make this, you could transform this later, but for now, just leave it. So for the video 1, we want to add a blur to it. So you just drag the blur to this, go up to video, you hit effects, and you open effects, and there's your blur, and you just add a blur, just make it so you can't really read it. That's how I'm thinking. More aggressive. So you see something, but not blackness. Okay, so then we go back to the webcam, and you can go click on here, hit transform, and then make your guy bigger. Boom. Your size bigger, and then you go make it, it's like you see you. You go back to this one, and you go under crop. You can resize yourself. Stuff look nice and tight there. Boom. And then you resize yourself again. You go and transform and make yourself even bigger. Like, okay, so I really want, be able to see myself here. All right, and then you go, okay, for me, I have, so let's just play it. You can't hear it.
Hello?
Maybe. Oh, you can't hear it. Shoot.
Hello? Just take me there. Come on.
So the video, all three are playing the same video, and that's me, and that's the main video that I zoomed out a little bit, but you still see what's going on. Excuse me. And then you have the blur in the background, so you see everything moving at once. Okay, so once you've got the video you want, you go to the deliver page. Left click on the little rocket ship. Then you go into make sure to custom. Then you have wherever you want your TikTok videos to go, and then just name it wherever TikTok test 2. Make sure the format is MP4, and then make sure it's 264, and then everything else should be fine. And then you render it. You add it to queue, and then you hit render. Then you take the file and you upload it to Google Drive or Microsoft Drive or whatever you use. Then you can get that uploaded right to TikTok. Well, yeah, if you enjoyed that, thumbs up. This is for myself, so if you stopped by and said, "Oh wow, this is cool," thanks. That's it. Thanks for watching. KontrolStyle out.